Hello all, my name is Krish Naik and welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, this video is going to be quite amazing because here I'm actually going to show you some 20 plus data science project ideas from 5 different domains, right? And this was the question asked by many of the freshers, professional people, who have learnt data science. They said that Krish, please make a video where you can actually talk about different data science project ideas from different domains. So I'll probably be making 2 to 3 videos like that. More 10 different domains I'm going to cover. And I'll also be telling you that what all data science projects you can actually do along with the data set. You just have to go over there, practice it and all. Some of the data sets are readily available in Kaggle. You'll also be getting multiple kernels where you can actually practice. So let's proceed. And here I am going to cover 5 different domains, and these domains are quite important right now, and in my upcoming video more 10 domains are also there which I'm also going to cover. So let's go ahead with the first domain, that is data science in logistic domain. Some of the projects examples are demand forecasting, raw material forecasting, damage detection of visual inspection, dynamic pricing, and chatbot customer service based. Now I have just written 5 different projects over here. Why I have written this common projects? Because in most of the logistic domain in any company, wherever you go, this 5 related projects will always be there. That is demand forecasting, raw materials forecasting, raw material procurement, you can basically say. In one of my previous company, I did this specific work. There was a project where we really need to procure raw materials for the upcoming 6 months, so we had to do some kind of forecasting over there. Damage detection basically means that in logistic also you have a lot of machines that are being used for different purpose, and this can also come in the supply chain part. So there we can actually use some computer vision object detection part and basically come up with something. Dynamic pricing, I hope everybody knows about dynamic pricing. It's very much important. It's used in airline industries, it is used in logistic domain, lot of things, right, where the price is basically changed based on some external factors. And the fifth one is a common project that can come in any domain, that is chatbot customer service based. Now these are some of the projects. Now usually whenever I say this all projects, Krish, please implement and show me. Guys, I have implemented so many projects in my different playlists, but understand, once you learn data science, it's all about practicing different problem statement. Pick up this logistic domain, start practicing some problem statements, start seeing the use cases. I know on the first day you'll not be able to understand it. Now if I talk about some of the common projects that are already available in Kaggle, here you can see some of the projects here. So first project name that I can show you is store item demand forecasting, food demand forecasting. You also have a project which is called as predict future sales, and one of the most important vision project here you can see steel defect detection. Now why these projects are so special? Because all the data sets are available. All you have to do is that click the link and automatically it will redirect you to the Kaggle page where the data set is actually present. This is not a simple project like Titanic data set and all. These are some advanced project which companies are actually working on, and these all competitions that are come up, they are usually older competitions, but they are put up by some amazing companies. So definitely if you are able to work into this, it will definitely give you an amazing experience. One thing that you really need to note, guys, please make sure that you make this all projects as end-to-end project. That should be done by you. Now one very important point, it may look like insulting for you, okay, I really want to make this specific point, is that you have learned machine learning, you have learned deep learning. If you are not able to implement some projects in your domain, then there may be either 2 reasons. One reason is that either you may have not studied well. The second reason may be that you have not studied properly from, or your training institute may be very bad, since they were not able to explain you how you can actually use in your domain. So these 2 reasons can only be there. If you have studied well, trust me, you will be able to solve any problem. You'll be able to understand. Yes, it will take time. It will not be like in the first day only I'll be able to implement it. So here why I'm specifying this Kaggle project is because there you'll be able to find out many Kaggle kernels also. Okay, so there you'll be able to see a lot of examples. Now this was the first domain. Let's go to the second domain, which is again pretty much important. Many jobs are available in this domain, that is in insurance domain. Here definitely some of the projects names are insurance fraud claims, policy based recommendation, This policy based recommendation is an amazing use case, guys. I did it in my my first data science project. You can consider that. Whenever we used to log in into the website based on the personal information, we used to personalize that entire site and recommend some insurance product. If you don't know, guys, my first project on data science was insurance domain project. So we needed to recommend many different kind of insurance product to the users, right, based on our personal information. So this was the project. So I'm telling you, and most of the insurance project, this particular is there. This kind of use cases will definitely be there. Then you have insurance price optimization. Again, based on user information, we should be able to give different kind of prices based on health risk and all should be there. Risk assessment, and then chatbots for policy recommendation. Now, I've written over here. Definitely, you can go and search for all this kind of data sets. It will be readily available. Again, please make sure that you make it as an end-to-end project. That is very much important. Okay, now coming to the next one over here. Here are some of the projects which I have already mentioned with respect to insurance. One is Prudential Life Insurance Assessment. If you just click this link, automatically it will redirect you to the data sets. All-state purchase prediction. So here you can see All-state predict a purchase policy based on transaction history. This is the use case over there. And the third one is like BNP Paribas creative claims management. So this is also very much important, and this use case looks very good. So if you are able to implement it, you are able to implement an end-to-end project, trust me, in the interview you'll be able to explain in a very easy manner. Okay, and there is a reason why I'm giving you this all project ideas, because many people have asked me from past 1 month, Krish, I've learned this, but I'm not getting any idea from where should I, which project should I do. This third one is basically for mechanical engineering, civil engineering, who are from manufacturing domain. The core work is from manufacturing domain. As I said, data science is a technique that can be applied in any domain. So here are some of the data science projects example in manufacturing. One is predictive maintenance and fault prediction. Suppose you have a machine, probably you have an AC, right? And that specific AC, you as a user, you should definitely know that when beforehand only you should be able to know that when is the service date. You know, probably one part of the machine is not working well. We should get that particular warning. We should make sure that we use the machine in a much more efficient manner. We should get some kind of analytics information, right? All these things can be uploaded, updated or implemented in the manufacturing domain. Then you have this automation in factory, tracking in and tracking out of vehicles. These are some of the example. Inventory management, supply chain optimization, vision use cases like number plate detection and all should be there. You know, boxes detection, different kind of things can be actually done in manufacturing domain. In iNeuron, we have implemented so many projects related to this, guys. So many projects, and in my previous company also we had done a lot of projects all together. Now here are some of the amazing use cases, again from some amazing companies, those who have put up in Kaggle, and there are a lot of prizes also when this particular competition was launched. I have put over here. The first use case is hash code drone delivery. Can you help coordinate the drone delivery supply chain? Then maximize sales and minimize returns of bakery goods. You can do this. The data set is pretty much amazing. A lot of difficult part is there, but again, you'll get a guidance. You'll be able to see multiple kernels over there, different examples over there. Then you have Mercedes-Benz greener manufacturing. Can you cut the time of a Mercedes-Benz spending on the test bench? And one more is BSB power line fault detection. So this is the project. I will give you this entire PDF format, guys, so that you just in one click you'll be able to see the data set and do all the things. So this, I took a lot of time to search everything, probably put this 3 days I've actually taken to give you this entire experience, probably the best use cases that you can actually solve. But always remember, end to end, you have to solve it end to end. Now coming to the healthcare part, so this is the healthcare, data science in healthcare. So here you have a lot of examples, guys. Data science for medical imaging, data science for genomics. One of the example I did in my channel is DNA sequencing classification. You know, genomics is all about that. Drug discovery with data science, virtual assistant for patient and customers. I think you have heard about the stories of GPT-3 and all. Monitoring patient health, healthcare predictive analytics. All these examples are definitely there. And in Kaggle, guys, I've seen so many use cases regarding healthcare. So this is obviously pretty much amazing. So let's see one of the example over here. All the data set is given. You can use both machine learning and deep learning. Both the kind of examples I have uploaded over here. One is brain tumor radiogenomic classification. Then you have big data chest X-ray abnormality detection, hacking the kidney. You have to identify glomeruli in human kidney tissue images. So clearly an object detection. And there is also something called as mechanism of action detection. Can you improve the algorithm that classifies the drugs based on the biological activity? These all kind of examples, when you get right, many people will be interested definitely in the healthcare. And trust me, if you are able to explain this in the interview, pretty much amazing. But you have to make sure that this all are, treat it as a POC project, implement it end to end. Okay. Then this one is like predict lung function decline, everything. And there are many examples. Heart stroke, you know, identify whether a person is having diabetes or not, all those things, machine learning problem statement. Coming to the finance domain, probably this is the most important domain in data science, most highly paid, money, right? So here are some of the projects over here. You can see sales forecasting, customer segmentation, personalized marketing, financial fraud detection, algorithmic trading, healthcare predictive analytics. Now when I say healthcare, they're probably finance related things is also included, real-time analytics and all are there. And some of the examples with respect to finance domain, and again ready made, all the data set is given to you. That is, one is the Optiver realized volatility prediction. This is a competition that is going on in Kaggle. Then you have Chain Street market prediction. Then you have Stantana customer transaction prediction. I have also taken a lot of example from this particular data set. And finally, using news to predict stock movements. This is also using news headlines to predict stock movements. Like if today the company news is coming, something like that, it may go up or down, something like that. And this last project using news to predict stock headlines, I have actually done in my YouTube channel also. So this was all the use cases, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So logistic domain, all the use cases I've actually entered. So I hope you like this particular video. This entire thing will be given in the PDF format in the description of this particular video. Please do go ahead and have a look. And yes, this was it from my side. I hope you have a great day. Please make sure that you subscribe the channel. Press the bell notification icon, and I'll see you all in the next video. Have a great day. Thank you, one doll. Bye-bye.